Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing well and studying properly. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the new English grammar topic, adjectives. Now let us first understand what are adjectives. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Let us see what is its definition. The definition of the adjective says that the words that describe a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. They tell us what kind of, how many, how much, what color, what size, etc. the people, animal, places, or things are. So, the word adjectives are the describing words. In short, we can say that they are the describing words. Now there are different kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjectives. Now let us understand each one of them with proper examples. Now the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tell us about the kind of the person, animal or thing is talked about. For example, an honest man. Here, the word honest is adjective of quality because it is describing the man. A big house. Now, big is an adjective of quality. Why? Because it is describing the word house. A narrow road. The word narrow describes how the road is. A fat cat. So the word fat describes the noun cat. So the words which tell us about what kind of a person, animal or thing is called the adjective of quality. Next we move on to the adjective of quantity. Now adjective of quantity tell us about how much of a thing is talked about. And here you also have to keep it in mind that adjective of quantity is always used with the uncountable nouns. That means the nouns which cannot be counted, and if the adjective is used with that, then that is the adjective of quantity. For example, I need little sugar in my tea. Now here the word little is highlighted because it is the adjective of quantity and it is used with the noun sugar because sugar is the uncountable noun. There is much tea in the kettle. Now same way, the word much is used just before the noun tea and the noun tea is uncountable. So here the word much is termed as adjective of quantity. Next, I have some rice left in my plate. So likewise, rice is also the uncountable noun. So whatever is quantifying the rice, it is some rice. So it is termed as adjective of quantity. So I hope you have understood what is an adjective of quantity. It is used with the uncountable noun and it tells us how much of a thing is. Next, we move on to the adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us how many people, animal or things are talked about in a sentence. For example, my mother baked 4 cakes. Now, as I told you earlier, the adjective of quantity is used with the uncountable nouns, but here adjective of number is used with the countable nouns. You can count the nouns. As you can see in the first example, it is used, my mother baked 4 cakes. So here the word 4 is used as an adjective of number because it is used with the countable noun cakes. We met many people at the party. Now here many is used with the noun people and people is the countable noun. So here we can term many as adjective of number. I have a few coins in my pocket. Now here the word few is used as the adjective of number because coins are the countable nouns. Children, I hope you all have understood the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Yes? So next we move on to the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives point out to the people, animal, or things. For example, this book belongs to me. Now, this book, here, this word is used just before the noun book and it is pointing out at the noun book. So, the word this is called as demonstrative adjective. That tree is beside the river. So now here we are pointing out at the tree which is beside the river. So the word that is the demonstrative adjective. These shoes are black in color. Now here the word these is used just before the noun shoes. So it is termed as demonstrative adjective. Those students are preparing for the parade. So likewise, the word those is termed as the demonstrative adjective for the nouns students. Now children, I hope demonstrative adjectives are easy and it is easily understood by all of you. So next we move on to the interrogative adjective. Now interrogative adjective ask questions, all right, and they are also used just before the noun. Now here in the first example, you can see which t-shirt should I wear to the party today. So now here the question is which t-shirt, okay, and you can see that the word which is highlighted, which is termed as the interrogative adjective. Now whose car is that? Now there is a question to be asked with the noun car. So here the word whose is termed as interrogative adjective. Which cake should I get for your birthday? Now here cake is the noun and the question is asked for the noun. So which cake should I get for your birthday? So the word which becomes the interrogative adjective. Now here children, I hope you have understood all the 5 kinds of adjectives, that is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and the interrogative adjectives. So it is well illustrated by all the examples. Hope you have understood well, and if yes, then you will be able to do all the related exercises given in your workbook. I hope you'll do them correctly. So thank you so much, students. Bye-bye and take care.